Ever get one's wires crossed when supersizing and growing your business? Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here. Our communication-related idiom today is to get one's wires crossed, or to get your wires crossed. And basically, it means to have confusion. It comes from the telephony industry, or the days of telephones when switchboards, but it could be from telegraphs too. Sometimes the circuits or the wires would get crossed, and you'd be connected or routed to the wrong conversation. I remember when I was a little girl, back in the days when we actually had 6-digit phone numbers, and they had switchboard operators. When I was a very little girl, there were switchboard operators still, where they would actually plug in the phone to different circuits and different lines to connect you to your party. When my mom was growing up, they would pick up the phone and ask for the person, and a person was there, and the operator was there, and she would actually connect you to the person that you wanted to talk to. Now, things have changed, and billions of people are online and connected through different wires and technologies. Mostly not wires, it's all electronic, which is wires, by the way. But we aren't having to, actually, even in the days of my cell phone, I've had experiences where I've been connected to the wrong person on my phone, dialed the right number, but for some reason the phone's in the lines, or if you get on the line, especially on conference calls and things, sometimes you'll hear other parties getting connected mistakenly, even today, by getting their wires crossed, but not physically a person crossing the wires, but you'll get feedback and things that come in from other lines or other circuits. Still happens, I guess, now that I think about it. But this idiom, this expression, has been around since telephones and telegraphs were popular and were actually invented and have been used. Charles Dickens gets credit for using it in some of his writing, as does, it first appeared in a newspaper called the Illinois Register in 1878. I think it was July the 17th, 1878. And then again, there's all kinds of listings of where it first appeared, to get your wires crossed, or to get one's wires crossed, or to misunderstand or be confused, or be rerouted to the wrong party. Now, I don't know about you, but I know in the different businesses I've been a part of, sometimes we misunderstand or get our wires crossed. Sometimes someone will convey something that we think everybody understands, only to find out as we start to implement the thing that there was a whole lot of misunderstanding going on. That's why I am a huge believer in documenting, taking notes, writing things down, making sure that people read and review things that we've agreed upon, so that there isn't a misunderstanding, especially with respect to who is going to do what. And the bigger, the more complicated the project, the more important it is that we have documented processes and procedures. This is what we've agreed to by whatever date, etc. That's why we have contracts and things in business. So I'd love to know, I've definitely used this expression. Have you used this expression? Have you heard this expression? Have you ever felt confused, or like you've gotten misinformation or gotten your wires crossed? I know I certainly have. So that's our communication-related idiom today. Have an awesome day. Try to be clear and specific in your communication, and seek to understand as well as be understood. And I will, of course, be with you around with another communication-related idiom for this month. Have an awesome day.